Creating a website like YouTube starts with thorough planning and conceptualization. Define your target audience by identifying the demographic groups you want to reach. Analyze their preferences and interests to ensure your platform's content resonates with them. Conduct market research to identify the unique selling points, USPs, that will set your service apart. Establish the purpose of your website by deciding the type of content you want to host, such as tutorials, vlogs, or other media. Consider giving your website a unique theme or functionality to attract a specific audience and differentiate it from existing platforms. Understanding the technical requirements is crucial for developing a successful video sharing website. Start by selecting an appropriate domain name that is clear and easy to remember. Choose a hosting provider with expertise in video websites, ensuring they offer sufficient speed and storage. Select a development platform that suits your needs. WordPress is popular due to its intuitive design and extensive plugin library, while Joomla offers robust content management features. Consider scalability, customization options, and technical expertise required. Ensure the platform is compatible with your needs and has strong support groups and resources available. To create a website like YouTube, focus on essential features and functionality. Implement user registration and profiles, allowing users to create accounts and personalize their profiles. Ensure a secure user authentication system and offer social media or email sign-up options. Provide a user-friendly video upload and management system, including content moderation and copyright protection. Optimize video playback across devices using adaptive streaming technologies like dynamic adaptive streaming via HTTP- or HTTP live streaming, HLS. Incorporate social and interactive features such as commenting, favorites, and reshares to boost user engagement and promote sharing. To generate revenue, incorporate monetization strategies within your website. Implement advertising options like pre-roll, mid-roll, or post-roll ads, as well as overlay or banner advertisements. Utilize targeted advertising by leveraging user data and algorithms to display relevant ads. Offer subscription or premium services to increase revenue potential. Consider a subscription-based model, providing users with access to exclusive features and content for a fee. Create a monetization plan that balances revenue generation with user experience, ensuring premium features enhance user satisfaction and are worth the subscription cost. Effective content moderation and community management are crucial for maintaining a positive environment on your website. Develop a robust moderation system to ensure user-posted content adheres to community guidelines. Implement AI-based algorithms and manual review processes to filter out inappropriate or copyrighted material. Establish clear terms of service and community standards to create a safe and supportive environment for all users. Encourage user feedback and continuously assess your website's performance, user comments, and industry trends to stay ahead in the dynamic online video sharing market. By following these steps, you can create a successful website like YouTube.